Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find WhatsApp backup data in Google Drive. First guys, you need to go and open up your WhatsApp, and then simply you need to go on the three dots on your right upper side and then select the settings side. Right after that, you need to go and choose the second selection, the chats option, and go for that one, and then you need to scroll down and go for chat backup. Click on chat backup, and here, as you can see guys, you have an option for backup. Just go and click on backup, and you'll need to wait for processing to the main page. And here you go guys, now you need to go to your Google Drive. Now what you need to do, just simply go on your left upper side by clicking on the three dots and then go for the fourth selection, the backups. Here guys, as you can see, on the second section you have that WhatsApp backup. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.